What if you could turn everything you think of into reality? That's the beauty and magic behind 3D printing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I 3D printed these beautiful phone holders and give you your first basics to create your first ever 3D printed creation. Before we get into the video, please remember to subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out on the next video, and also leave a thumbs up, a comment down below, and without further ado, let's get started.
Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in today's video, as you have heard in the introduction, I am gonna be showing you how to 3D print. 3D printing isn't for professionals. All you need are three things: a 3D printing machine, a roll of filament. This is the material that is used to 3D print. It comes in a variety of colors as well. Lastly, you will need a laptop for the designing. So you load the filament onto the machine, just as you see me do on the video. Different machines work differently, so be sure to check that out. This is the point where the filament melts to produce your creation. This part of the machine moves up, down, and the other gadget moves from sideways to sideways during printing. So before we design our phone holder, I want you to take a look at it first. Note the following things: the name written on the phone holder, the slanted or curved edges on the phone holder, the place where the phone actually goes on the phone holder, the top part of the phone holder, and lastly, the two circles that you are seeing on the phone holder. We will call them donuts in this session. One is full and the other is half. So let's get started. To 3D print, you will need two softwares. The first one is called Tinkercad. It is a free site where you get to design your creation. Once you sign in or log into your account, it will take you to such a page. This is the build plate or the work plate. On the right hand side of the page, we have some shapes that we use to make our creation. For me, I picked the donut shape. Then I adjusted its height to 3.3 mm. This is because a phone holder isn't that tall. Then I duplicated my donut shape, which will make the other semicircle that you saw. For the top part of our phone holder, I picked out a cone shape. Then I adjusted it to the right radius that I wanted, and I made sure it fits perfectly. Then I raised it up so that it could sit on the donut. Afterwards, I adjusted its height to the height that I wanted. Then I duplicated the cone shape to make another cone that will go inside the original cone. To differentiate between the two, I allocated a different color to the second cone. This will allow my phone holder to be hollow in the middle. I made it smaller than the previous one so that it could fit inside. There are two types of shapes used here. One is a solid shape and the other is a transparent shape. The ones highlighted in gray are transparent shapes. The solid shapes are the ones that get printed, while the transparent ones do not get printed. I used a rectangle to cut the top part of the cone. If you could remember, the part that I showed you was flat, and I used an oval shape to cut out the curved part that you saw on the phone holder. Then the red box that you're seeing will be used to mimic a phone. I adjusted it to the right size according to the average sizes of phones that we have, and you can tilt it to either side to accommodate your curvature. This depends on how slanted you want your phone to be. For mine, I used -30 degrees. Then I placed it into the cone at the place where I wanted my phone to actually sit at. This was the part on the phone holder that you saw me showing you where the phone will be sitting on. Every part containing the transparent shapes won't be printed, so our creation will be like this. All that is remaining is to cut out the semicircle, and for that I used a transparent rectangle. I placed it carefully on the circle, then made sure it was the correct size. Now for the writing on the phone holder, where we get our shapes from, there's an option for a text. Pick it and edit according to the name that you want it to be. And that is it. Our design is ready. So the other part remaining is extracting this file. On the top right corner, you will see an extract button. It will take you to this page where you will extract the file in STL format. This will guide you to the second software that I told you about. This software converts your 3D creation into a G-code. G-code is a 3D printer specific instruction for the toolpath. You see how the machine is going around? That's the toolpath we are talking about. This software is called a slicer. Afterwards, save your file in a SD card, then insert it in your printer and set your printing session to start. My project was taking about an hour to complete, and in no time it was done. Allow your machine to cool fast before you remove your creation, because it goes a little bit over 200 or sometimes 100 degrees Celsius.
Now you see, you do not have any reason not to start your 3D printing journey. You can get the machine, you can get the filament, and I'm sure you have a laptop. It is very easy, very simple, even for a beginner. And guess what? You can make it a business as well. But if you'd rather skip all that procedure, don't worry, I got you. Go to Google, search Integral Makers, and go to our shop page, and you will get every other product that you have there, including the phone holder, at only 200 Kenya shillings. You can order today and get it by tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Please remember to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get notified in the next video. I'm sure you do not want to miss that. And finally, leave a thumbs up. I am going to see you on the next video. Kama kawaida. Bye.